Ever wondered what's going on inside an induction cooktop? Well, let's dive in and see how it all works.
So, how can it heat a pan like crazy, but the surface itself stays surprisingly cool?
The secret is induction cooking. It uses electromagnetic energy, not open flames or hot coils.
Let's take a look inside, breaking it down piece by piece, starting from the very top. Right on top, you have this smooth, tempered ceramic glass. It's super tough and heat resistant. And here's the cool part. The glass itself doesn't really get hot because the heat is made in the pan. Just under that glass, you'll find the heart of the whole thing, the copper induction coil. When you turn it on, electricity zips through this coil, creating a powerful magnetic field. And underneath that coil, a ferrite core helps aim that magnetic field right up towards your cookware. So how does a magnetic field make heat? Well, it's actually a pretty simple four-step process. That magnetic field creates tiny electrical currents that swirl around in the pan's metal base. And it's the pan's own resistance to these currents that actually generates the heat. Pretty smart, right? Of course, all this action needs to stay cool. That's what the cooling fan is for. There's also a heat sink and some sensors to manage temperatures, keeping everything safe and sound. Okay, let's talk about the brains of the operation. This power control module handles the electricity. And right alongside it is the main control board, which is basically the cooktop's command center. This is the part you'll actually use, the touch control panel. It's how you set your heat levels. And finally, an insulated casing at the bottom protects all those important internal components. So, to put it all together, electricity makes a magnetic field, and that field heats your pan directly. This method makes induction cooking incredibly fast, super energy efficient, and a whole lot safer. We're basically cooking with magnets now. It really makes you wonder, what's the kitchen of the future gonna look like?